sir.
Hi. So you're ready for the day? We are going to see the natural resources. Do you see this? Sunlight, the natural resource, and it gives me energy. Wow, the wind is blowing. There is air. Now you tell me, what does it give?
Helps me breathe.
The seaside, lakes, rivers, they all are natural resources.
I love this place. Lakes, rivers, soothing effect.
Yes, and that gives us water, salt, and fish to eat. Hey, come on. Why do you look so scared? Don't be scared. It's just a forest. Another natural resource that gives us wood, the furniture in our house, rubber, used for tires in our car. Let me show you this farm. Another natural resource in the form of animals. Look at the sheep that gives us wool, cow which gives us milk, this chicken that gives us eggs and roast to eat. Now we are here. This land, another natural resource. Underneath this land is soil. Minerals and rocks are found under it. The mountain on the land, underneath is coal and iron. The soil, fertile land gives us fruit, vegetables, and food grain. So, how was your session?
Superb.